Hello, good morning, students. Myself, Dr. K. M. Khalkar, Department of Botany, KTHM College, Nasik. Student, up to the last lecture, we have covered the two flowering crops. The first one is the aster, second one is the orchids under the chapter floriculture. The next one flower, important flower, simply cultivated flower, that is the Tagetes. What we know about the Tagetes? Generally, this flower is known as marigold, one of the most important flowering annual cultivated in India. We all know about this flower, generally cultivated. They are generally, we will say, somewhat yellowish or orange in color and having a special beauty. And because of why they are used for various purposes, like as in the garland preparations, they are generally used, or for the different purposes they are used, and it has gained popularly on account of its easy culture and wide adaptability, wide attractive color, safe size, and good keeping quality. The botanical name, like as the Tagetes erecta, known as the African marigold, having the family Asteraceae, and there are about 33 species of the genus Tagetes. Some important, like as the Tagetes erecta, Tagetes tula is there. Erecta, known as the African marigold, whereas the Tagetes tula is known as the French marigold. And the other important species may be like as the Tagetes tulifolia, bushy type, less than 30 centimeter, Tagetes lacera, grown up to 120 to 150 centimeter, and the Tagetes limoni, grown up into 60 to 70 centimeter height, bears small flowers. So these are some important species of the Tagetes here. The importance of this Tagetes. Tagetes or the marigold is one of the most commonly grown flowers for garden decoration and extensively used as a loose flower for making garland for religious and social functions. It has gained popularity among the gardener on account of its easy culture and wide adaptability. The marigolds are ideal for cut flower, especially for making garland. Yes, generally the garlands are prepared there in the during the Dashera as well as the Diwali is the very high as well as the other festivals, and the marigold flowers is known as the friendship flower in United States. So all these are the importance of the marigold. What is the uses of the marigold flowers are there? Marigold flowers are generally used for the purpose of preparations of garland and in the decoration purpose. It is highly suitable as bedding plants and landscaping is there. Some species used essential oil extraction. Yes, some species of the marigold they are used for the purpose of to obtain an essential oil is there. The pigment, like as the xanthophylls, are used as a nature color to intensify yellow color of egg yolk, and the liner skin is there. The pigment xanthophylls which will be there. So used for coloring the foodstuff textile industry. Yes, for to obtain the color in the textile industry, the flowers are used there. So only these are the uses of the marigold flower is there. Then the next point, that is the cultivation of Tagetes flower. Okay, how we can cultivate the Tagetes flower is there. Soil which will be required for this Tagetes flower. Marigold is adaptable to different type of the soil condition and thus can be grown successfully in a wide variety of soil. However, a deep, fertile, fertile soil having good water holding capacity, well drained and nearer to neutral in reaction. The soil generally required, that is the pH 7 to 7.5, and is most desirable. An ideal soil for marigold cultivation is fertile and sandy loam soil is required for that, whereas the climatic conditions required. The growing period temperature is 14.5, means 15 to 29 degree generally we will say greatly improves the flowering, while higher temperature 26.2 to 36.4 adversely affects on the flower, means temperature more than the uh, 37 degrees Celsius adversely affecting the flower productions, and depend upon the environmental conditions marigold can be grown three times in a year, like as rainy, winter, and in summer season we can cultivate the digenous flowers. The field preparations, like as the preparations of the field is there. The preparations of the field means nursery beds are thoroughly prepared by digging and incorporating well trodden by the farmyard manure is there. Before sowing the seeds, Malathion dust should be dusted on the outer side of the nursery bed to avoid the ants presence there. The sowing time, that the points we are considering, may be rainy or winter or summer season. Rainy season, like as the end of the June, winter season mid of September, and the summer season the first week of January under the glass house or the greenhouse they are cultivated. The planting material, yes, generally by the seeds, we all know. And the seeds rate of the marigold varies from 2 to 2.5 kg per hectare is required there, and it takes about 5 to 7 days for germination. For raising seedling, seeds can be sown in pots or the seed boxes or on the flat or raised nursery bed in lines in shallow furrows are there, and during the preparations of nursery bed 8 to 10 kg of well decomposed farmyard manure per 1 square meter bed is thoroughly mixed with the soil. With the help of that we will obtain a good results is there. And for herbaceous cutting, varieties like as the giant African, yellow giant African, orange to they are orange do not set the seed, and because of why in such cases with the help of cuttings we will obtain the plants, like as the apical shoot of 10 centimeter long are usually for the vegetative propagation, means this plant the we will say the marigold is cultivated by various, like by the seed as well as with the help of cutting is also there. The after the development of the seedling, a transplant is necessary there, and the transplant maybe with the help of mid-July to middle September, a transplantation is done there. Land should be plugged 2 to 3 times. Bring the soil fine with 1 month old seedling with 3 to 4 leaves fit for the transplanting material. And the spacing is also depend upon variety to variety. The African marigold is required 40 by 30 centimeter or by 60 by 30 centimeter, whereas the French marigold 20 centimeter or it may be of 20 by 15 centimeter spacing is required in between the two plants, whereas the manure and the fertilizer incorporate 50 tons of FI manure per hectare during the last plugging is required there. Apply 400 kg, then say the nitrogen is there, 200 kg potash is there to obtain a good result. In case of that, half of nitrogen, entire dose of phosphorus and the potash should be applied at the base dose is there, and the rest of the nitrogen should be given 2 to 3 times during the vegetative growth, and the irrigation is as per the requirement depend upon the soil nature is there. The intercultural operation, like as the weed control, yes, weed control in each and every crop, the weed control is necessary there, essential there, whereas the irrigation all stages of the vegetative growth and during the flower production sufficient amount of the moisture in soil is essential, and in that will the moisture stress at any stage affects the normal growth of the flowering is there. In higher soil more frequent irrigations are required than the heavy soil is there, so that depend upon the nature of the soil, the irrigations which will be given there. Pinching is essential. Pinching, that is the removal of apical portion of the shoot, is known as pinching. And in tall cultivars of African marigold plant first grow upward and to their final height and later on produce the terminal flower, and after the formations of the terminal flower bud axillary branches developed which also bear the flower, and when we can do the pinching, automatically the axillary branches are grow well and we will increase the number of the flowers are there. So the pinching play an important role here. The harvesting after the growth, the marigold flower are plucked when they have attained a full size. A plucking of the flower should be done cool hours a day, early in the morning or at the evening time, and the field should be irrigated before plucking so that the flower keep well for a longer period after the harvest. Yes, because of oil irrigations, they have a good condition which will be formed there, and so the flowers are remain fresh for many days. And plucked flowers are collected in polythene bag or bamboo basket for carrying to markets. The flower yield, they are obtained about 12 tons per hectare in French marigold, whereas the 11 to 18 tons per hectare in African marigold, and they are packing in a moist cloth or in a polythene sheet and sent to the market. And the seed yield from the flower we obtained a seed also, that will be one of the businesses there. And the post harvest processing, there is the need of grading, packing and storage of this marigold is there. Marketing, distribution, transportation is also one of the things in case of this marigold which will be required there. Then the important tips for the practice of the crop cultivation: always use disease-free planting material, that is common. Timely weed management should be done. Yes, and the flowers should be harvested at proper time and stage is essential there. And the alternative use of produce, that is the marigold flower, can be used as a loose flower, cut flower, perfumery, wedding purpose, medicinal and the cosmetic industry, dye making, garland decoration. All these are the uses of the marigold. Means marigold not only used for the purpose of to prepare the garland, but also they are used for various purposes. So we can cultivate it anytime. And there are few pests like as the bud caterpillars, Helicoverpa armigera, and the Phyceta. These are the pests. They are lay down their eggs on the young birds, and larvae feed on developing the flower by damaging the florets, and they are controlled by using the methylpathione 0.05% or endosulfan 0.07%. With the help of that we control it. Some aphids also form there, suck the sap from the flower, causing the discoloration. They are controlled by the oxynivaron methyl 0.05% or microcotophos is there. Microcotophos 0.05% is also control. The aphids are there. The thrips are also there. Then the red spider mite is also there. Hairy caterpillars are also there. They are also controlled by the various, we will say, the insecticides which will be used there, may be of Thiodam, Nuon, or it may be of the dimethoate, etc. That will be control the different pests. There are few, we will say, the fungal disease. The first one, like as the damping of caused by the Rhizoctonia solani, and appears as a brown necrotic spot girdle on the radicle, and later on extend to plumule and plea emerging mortality is there takes place. So that is the one important disease, and that will be controlled by and the fungicide like as the Captan or the carbamazepine, which will be used there to control it. The flower bud rot is also one of the disease caused by the another fungi like as the Alternaria dianthe, and the disease mainly appears on the young flower buds and results in dry rotting of buds is there. And to control this disease, regular spraying of the crop with diethion M45 should be followed there, used there to control it. There are again powdery mildew which will be formed by the Oidium species or the Lavellula terica is there. This is also the fungi, and that is also controlled by the karate is there. Whereas that will be controlled by carbamazepine or the tridipapon, perimol, etc., which will be used there to control the powdery mildew. Wilt of stem rot, the Phytophthora is one of the fungi, is also causing the stem rot is there of the different plant, and they are also controlled by the different fungicides are there. Whereas the another disease color and the root rot like as the Pellicularia, then the Pythium, Sclerotinia, etc. These are the fungi it cause the disease like as the cholera or the root rot, and that is also controlled by the soil fumigation, planting healthy seedling, etc. The leaf spot bite, Alternaria species, or the Septoria circospora, these are the fungi which it causes the leaf spot and the blight. The brown circular or the brownish gray spots are appear there, and it controlled by spraying the fungicides regularly. So in this way, this one is the, we will say, the third one flowering crop. Tagetes are generally known as the marigold. Here you see the beauty of the flower is there. It looks very beautiful and all. We have used it like in the Dashera as well as in Diwali festival to prepare the garland or for the different purposes. So friend, here we are completed the chapter, that is the floriculture, and in floriculture we have considered the definitions, important scope of floriculture, and in which we have completed the three flowering crop. The first one which we will say, that is the aster is there, second one that is the orchid is there, and third one that is the tagetes, or also we will say a marigold is there. So these are the three flowering crops which is very important as an examination point of view. So you prepare all the three crops for the your with reference to your syllabus. Thank you.